Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe how you can upload documents in support of identity proof and address proof in your Aadhaar card online. Today I am going to explain how you can upload supporting documents for proof of identity and proof of address in your Aadhaar card through the online myAadhaar portal. This document update service is currently free of cost up to 14 June 2026. Submitting updated documents helps strengthen your Aadhaar details, ensures accurate authentication, and enables smooth access to various government and financial services. This presentation will guide you step by step through the process, required documents, guidelines, and important points to remember. Presently, this service is free till 14 June 2026. Objective of Document Update Service. In order to strengthen your Aadhaar, we request you to submit the proof of identity and proof of address documents. Please ensure that the information in these documents matches with the details on your Aadhaar. If you have recently submitted these updates at an enrollment center or on my Aadhaar portal, please wait for a request to be processed. Should the request be rejected, kindly resubmit the request with the correct documents. Why should I submit the identity and address documents for my Aadhaar? Updated supporting documents for identity and address for Aadhaar enable ease of living, better service delivery, and accurate authentication. Therefore, submitting recent identity and address documents is in the interest of the Aadhaar number holder. Document required. Upload the latest proof of identity and proof of address documents. Processing free. Processing fee. This service is free of cost till 14 June 2026. Processing time. Usually completed in 30 days with 90% service standards. Verify demographic details such as name, gender, date of birth, and address. Now tick in I verify the above details are correct. If there is mismatch in any of your details, please update your demographic details, name, address, date of birth or gender at nearest Aadhaar center, and for address you can update online through myAadhaar. Guidelines for uploading documents. Document size should be less than 2 MB. Supported file formats are JPEG, PNG and PDF. Please upload proof of identity document. Select any one valid supporting document type and upload JPEG, PNG and PDF whose size should be within 2 MB. CGHS, ECHS, ESIC or Mediclaim card issued by central government or state government or PSU. Disability identity card or certificate of disability issued under Rights of Persons with Disabilities Rule 2017. Driving license. Foreign passport, valid or expired, of the country of origin, issued to minorities communities of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jainis, Parsis and Christians. Gender exception, medical certificate from surgeon in case resident changed gender surgically. For exception cases of gender change, medical certificate from surgeon in case resident changed gender surgically. Indian passport, Kisan photo passbook, MGNREGA, NREGS, job card, photography identity card, or certificate with photograph issued by central government or state government. Mark sheet or certificate issued by recognized board of education or university or deemed university or higher educational institution of central or state act. Marriage certificate with or without photograph issued by central government or state government. Supporting POI document of old name and photograph is required if the marriage certificate is without photograph. Name exception, Gazette notification of new name with old POI document or divorce decree or adoption certificate or marriage certificate. Nepalese or Bhutanese certificate. Nepalese or Bhutanese limited photo ID certificate, limited validity photo identity certificate issued by Nepalese mission or Royal Bhutanese mission in India of, for stay of more than 182 days. Nepalese or Bhutanese passport of Nepal or Bhutan for nationals of Nepal or Bhutan. Nepalese or Bhutanese voter ID, voter identity card issued by the Election Commission of Nepal or Bhutan. PAN card or e-PAN card. Passbook with photograph issued by public sector bank as categorized by RBI, duly stamped and signed, along with a supporting certificate from branch manager in charge certifying that KYC in respect of the account holder is complete and the proof of address of the for the address shown in the passbook is available in the bank's record. Pensioner photo identity card, freedom fighter photo identity card, or pension payment order issued by central government or state government or PSU, regulatory body or statutory body. Photo ID card or certificate with photo issued by central government or state government under Bhamasha scheme, domicile certificate, labor card, etc. Prisoner induction document issued by prison officer with signature and seal. Ration or PDS photograph card or e-ration card, ST or SC or OBC certificate issued by central government or state government, school leaving certificate or school transfer certificate, service photo identity card issued by central government or state government or PSU or regulatory body or statutory body, standard certificate by gazetted officer at NSEO, State Health Department, or project director of State AIDS Control Society. Certificate issued on UIDAI standard certificate formed by gazetted officer at NSEO or State Health Department or project director of the State AIDS Control Society or his nominee in pursuance of Honorable Supreme Court Judgment in Criminal Appeal number 135-2010 dated 1952-022. Standard certificate by superintendent or warden or matron or head of institution of recognized shelters, homes or orphanages, older children of corresponding institution. Third gender or transgender ID card or certificate issued under the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act. Valid foreign passport for residents. Valid foreign passports for residents who have stayed in India for 182 days or more in the immediately preceding 12 months. Valid foreign passport issued to other foreign nationals. Valid foreign passport issued to other foreign nationals who have stayed in India for 182 days or more in the immediately preceding 12 months. Voter identity card or e-voter identity card. Please upload proof of address document. Select any one value supporting document type and upload JPEG, PNG and PDF whose size should be within 2 MB. Allotment letter of accommodation issued by central government or state government or PSU or regulatory body or statutory body not older than 1 year. Bank account statement or credit card statement or post office savings account statement with stamp and signature of issuing official not older than 3 months. Disability identity card or certificate of disability issued under Rights of Persons with Disabilities Rule 2017. Electricity bill, prepaid or postpaid bill not older than 3 months. Gas connection bill not older than 3 months. Indian passport, Kisan photo passbook, life or medical insurance policy valid up to 1 year from the date of issue of the policy. MGNREGA or NREGS job card, photo identity card, or certificate with photograph issued by central government or state government. Marriage certificate with or without photograph issued by central government or state government. Supporting POI document of old name and photograph if required is required if the marriage certificate is without photograph. Passbook with photograph issued by public sector bank as categorized by RBI, duly stamped and signed along with a supporting certificate from the branch manager in charge certifying that KYC in respect of the account holder is complete and the proof of address for the address shown in the passbook is available in the bank's record. Photograph identity card or certificate with photograph issued by central government or state governments such as under Bhamasha scheme, domicile certificate, labor card, etc. Prisoner induction document issued by prison officer with signature and seal. Property tax receipt not older than 1 year. Ration, PDS photograph card or e-ration card. ST, SC and OBC certificates issued by central government or state government. Scheduled commercial banks notified by RBI. Passbook having name and photograph, cross-stamped with bank seal and signed by bank official and post office savings account passbook with stamp and signature of issuing official of post office, standard certificate by gazetted officer at NACO or state health department or project director of AIDS control society or his nominee in pursuance of honorable supreme court judgment in criminal appeal number 1352010-2010 dated 1952022. Standard certificate by gazetted officer, Group A, EPFO officer. Standard certificate issued on UIDAI standard certificate format by MP, MLA, MLC or municipal councillor. Standard certificate issued on UIDAI format by recognized educational institution signed by the head of institute only for the institute students concerned. Certificate issued on UIDAI standard certificate format by superintendent or warden or matron or head of institution of recognized shelter homes or orphanages only for children of the shelter home or orphanage concerned. And certificate issued on UIDAI standard certificate format by Tehsildar or gazetted officer group B. Certificate issued on UIDAI standard certificate format by village panchayat or panchayat head or president or mukhia, gaon bura or equivalent authority for rural areas, village panchayat secretary, village revenue officer or equivalent for rural areas, telephone landline bill or postpaid mobile bill or broadband bill not older than 3 months, third gender or transgender ID card, certificate issued under the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019, valid long-term visa LTV document along with foreign passport, valid or expired, of the country of origin issued to minorities communities of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jainis, Parsis and Christians, valid registered sale agreement or registered gift deed in registrar office, registered or non-registered rent, lease agreement, leave and license agreement, valid registration certificate or residential permit issued by FRRO or FRO to the foreign national, voter identity card or e-voter identity card, water bill not older than 3 months. Now after uploading of both POI and POA documents, tick the round box that says I hereby give my consent that the information or documents provided or uploaded by me may be subjected to verification at any stage by the government. Now click on next and submit. Download acknowledgement for future reference. If I want to submit documents offline, how can I locate an Aadhaar center? First, please go to this given link. Second, for locating nearby Aadhaar centers, click on the Centers Nearby tab. Enter your location details to view nearby Aadhaar centers. Third, for locating the Aadhaar centers within your PIN code area, click on the Search by PIN code tab. Enter your PIN code to view Aadhaar centers near that area. What is the charge for submitting the documents? Submission of documents is free of charge on myAadhaar portal till 14 June 2025. There is some amount of applicable charge for the submission of documents at an Aadhaar center. By when should I submit the documents? Updating the documents is desirable for enabling ease of living, better service delivery, and accurate authentication. Therefore, it is in your interest to submit the documents at an early date. Up to 14 June 2026 is free, and after that it will be chargeable. I'm a non-resident Indian (NRI). How can I submit the documents? You can submit the documents whenever you are in India. Updating your Aadhaar identity and address documents is a simple yet important step to ensure correct records, hassle-free service delivery, and ease of living. With the online myAadhaar facility, you can conveniently upload the valid POI and POA documents from home at no cost until 14 June 2026. Timely submission of correct documents helps avoid future inconvenience and ensures your Aadhaar remains valid and reliable. I hope this information has helped you understand the complete process clearly. Thank you very much for your patience and attention. Thank you very much. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.